Social media is full of misinformation. So before you hit share, send those suspicious posts to the Verify team. We'll fact check to find out whether it's legit. Like this warning that's been shared hundreds of times. Someone claiming that their insurance company, Manulife, would not pay out their policy if they got a COVID-19 vaccine and then passed away from complications because, quote, the vaccine is experimental. So let's verify. Is this claim true? And before we move forward, let's address the science here. All of the vaccines have gone through rigorous testing and have been deemed safe and effective by health officials. With that out of the way, let's move on to the question. Our main source here is the company itself, Manulife. On Twitter, the company has been responding to people over and over. Quote, the COVID-19 vaccination in no way negatively impacts your current insurance policies or valid group benefits coverage, nor does it factor into new insurance applications you may apply for with us. So yeah, the company says that this claim is completely false. But we didn't just stop there. We called up the American Council of Life Insurers.
It's really an incorrect and unfortunate rumor.
Jan Graber, a senior actuary at the trade group, said they're not seeing this anywhere in the industry.
Insurance companies pay death benefits on policies when the insured dies, regardless of the cause of death, except in very narrow and limited circumstances.
So we can verify that false. Life insurance companies are not refusing to pay out if you die from complications after getting the vaccine, since it's experimental. And remember, it's always a good idea to be skeptical of posts like these that are inciting fear. The facts are that the CDC says that the COVID-19 vaccine is safe and effective. With your Verify, I'm Evan Kozlov.